Hello again. After some disruptive snow and some very low temperatures, this week we're going to see a change in the weather. We start off on a cold note, but as we head through the mid-week period, it's going to become wetter and windier, but also milder as the weather comes back in from the Atlantic. Now what's happening at the moment is low pressure is driving our weather, and it today is going to be slowly moving northwards. There's a lot of cloud and rain associated with this, some hill snow, but even some of that snow getting down to lower levels at times, and it's going to be cold today and also blustery. The strongest winds will be with exposure West Wales, the southwest and the Channel Islands, where we could have gusts to gale force. So we've got the cloud, the rain and the hill snow across England and also Wales, some of that getting down to lower levels at times. Some snow showers across eastern and northern parts of Scotland and on the hills of Northern Ireland. But we do have that cold feel, especially if you're exposed to the wind. Now through this evening and overnight, the centre of the low pressure pulls away to the near continent, but we still are dragging in this northeasterly wind. So there still will be a lot of cloud and also some patchy light rain and showers, and still some hill snow across the southern uplands, northern England in the hills and also the hills of Wales. Under clearer skies though for the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's going to be cold. It'll be frosty and there's the risk of ice on untreated surfaces. We could start the day with -8 in parts of the Highlands, but here it will be brighter. Meanwhile, in the south, for England and for Wales, the low pressure continuing to drift towards the near continent, taking its showers with it, and the showers across eastern parts of Scotland are likely to be wintry in nature. Through the course of tomorrow, our temperature range 3 in the north to about 10 as we push down towards the south. Now overnight, Tuesday into Wednesday, it's going to be cold, and then during the day on Wednesday you can see the milder air starting to pull in from the west, pushing across us during the course of Thursday. So Wednesday will start off on a cold note with a widespread frost. Could be -10 in parts of the Highlands with some freezing fog, but a lot of dry weather until we see the change in the weather from the west as some wetter and windier conditions come in, but with that, so do milder conditions.